Next command in STPanel is tree model. This command allows you to generate entry string, that is, which assemblies the part is included in. First of all, I need to load model tree. Before load, I can check which parts and assemblies I want to load. I can check hidden, suppressed, and excluded from BROM, and press load button. Wait, this model is large and loading need time. Done. After load, I must check level or check manual assembly which I want to use to generate entry string. I can do this by menu. Let's check level 0. As you see, in table checked top level of the parts and assemblies. I can choose what I want to use to generate entry string. It's maybe file name, configuration name, or one of properties from table. In table, I can add many properties in setting strings and property column, and after that I can use these properties for generate entry string. But as usually, I use file name or configuration name. In this case, we using file name. After that, I can press update button, and for all parts and assemblies generate entry string. For example, for this part, entry string db5, db3, db7, db8, db6. That is all assemblies which included this part. If I check optimize as entry string, in this case, in entry string we will delete identical parts of the name. Press update button, and as you see, entry string will small db5 3 7 8 6. After generated this entry string, I can write this string in properties to files details. Press save button, check which properties I want to write this property entry, and press OK button. Program opening all parts and write this property. Let's check this. For example, this part I open properties, and as you see, property entry and has value as generated in program. Close this detail. This property I can use in drawing or some different cases, and in BOM table, for example. If and you understand in which assemblies, parts included. Second option and in this command is create properties from file name. In case if file name includes some delimiter, some separator, you can generate couple properties from file name. Run this command, enter first properties before separator, separator, and second properties. For example, I enter properties from the table, uncheck option write properties. If this option is checked, property write immediately. Press apply. As you see, for all parts generated two properties. This is file name, first property before separator, second property after separator. After that, I can write this property, check this checkbox, and run command OK. That's all about this command. Thank you.